something was coming under her bed. Then suddenly Nadia heard something like a whisper very close to her ears. Okay, the bed was heavier than before, and then she saw it. She saw it. It Okay, hey guys, so this is part 2. So if you haven't watched part 1, please go and watch so that you understand this story. So after the senior wand, right? At night, suddenly Nadia disappeared. So then the next morning after Nadia disappeared, everyone was seriously searching her. So searching her. Then only they all found out Nadia was not normal. Nadia, like when they found Nadia was not normal, and Nadia was seriously in the middle of the school, just standing there, looking at the hostel, looking at the school, just look. Uh, okay, then uh, uh, after 3 days, Nadia was found. There is a recording from a student's phone. Okay, like this is the recording. Okay, where Nadia was found and everything. Okay, so after that, no one slept properly. No, like no one slept properly after that morning where Nadia was found. Like that. Okay, so then the warden said Nadia fell sick. Like the 3 days, right? The 3 days Nadia was gone. Yeah, 2 days. I think 2 days Nadia was gone. 2 days she wasn't at school. So the school teachers all asked la what happened to Nadia and everything. Then the warden told she was sick. Then, but the girls in the room, like the girls with Nadia in the room, they know something had changed, especially for Alia. I told La before Alia, she told everything, right? So she was the one sleeping on the bed next to Nadia, very close. Okay, so and the first to hear it, hear the voice, la. I told, right? Nadia heard a voice. She was the first one who heard, but then she didn't. She didn't even say anything. Okay, so the first night after around 2:17 a.m. Alia's eyes were she opened her eyes because she felt very hot and everything. Okay, she didn't even mean to wake up, but something pulled her out of sleep. Like, whenever someone wake you up, that means they pull you out from sleep. But then that night, it was not someone who wake her up, it's something who wake her up. Then uh something was she heard a dragging sound, not from her bed, from Nadia's bed, slowly, carefully, like it something is adjusting. Like whenever you adjust, your body will shake and everything, right? The bed also will shake. Okay, actually, whenever you imagine you are adjusting yourself, the bed will shake. Okay, that's normal. No one was on her, like it's under her bed. How come the if it's under the bed, how come the bed is shaking? Huh? So then Alia actually turned her head slowly towards Nadia. Nadia was sitting. If it was me, I would die on that spot. That's all. My life gone in the dark, complete, because Alia knows Nadia is scared of the dark. How come she can just sit there in the dark? It's just completely still. Her back is facing Alia. Then Alia whispered like, Nadia, what are you doing? No response. Then Nadia head tilted like that, and then like that. It's like too sharp and too sudden. Suddenly she just like, and then turned. Slowly cracking sound. She is not turning normally. She's not turning normally. It was like someone just pulled her. Someone pulled her. She looked. It's as if she heard a whisper. It wasn't Nadia's voice. She looked at Nadia. Her Alia's blood ran cold. She felt very cold. Then the one who was sitting right, it's not Nadia. It's something else. It's not Nadia. Okay? Then the other girls all were asleep. Only Alia was awake. After she saw that thing, she couldn't even sleep at all. She couldn't sleep also. Then she was not moving. They were not moving just like before. Alia's breathing started to become heavy and shaky. You know, shaky is like very heavy. She couldn't even like whenever you get scared how you breathe like that, right? So then okay, I'm getting goosebumps to this. Okay, wait. Nadia slowly turned around. Like Nadia was sleeping, right? And then she woke up and she turned around. Her eyes were still open like before she was found. Okay, before she was found, like I told, her eyes was open, wide open, too empty, and her lips was moving. The same thing is repeating. Then a voice come out, like a voice. She heard a voice. Okay, Alia. I think Alia heard the voice or Nadia heard the voice. I don't know. But then it's like two voices speaking at once. Like whenever like you see in comedies, right? Sometimes like two people will talk in the same time and then the same thing. Okay, like that. This thing is like two voice at once. Two voices speaking at once. It's like now you will too. It's like what does it say? It's saying like whatever happened to Nadia, the same thing will happen to Alia. You understand or not? Like it says it means whatever I did to Nadia, the same thing I will do to you. Like that. Okay. I'm getting this one. Okay. Then after Alia squeezed her eyes like close because she is like damn scared right now. And then she actually remembered whatever the senior said. Like the senior said, when you hear what actually the senior told them. What the senior told? I forgot. Okay. If you are awake at 2:17 a.m., don't move, don't listen, and whatever you do, don't let her come up because once she does, she won't go back under. That's what the senior told, right? That's what the senior told. Then after like she remembered the rules lah. Then after that like uh something happened. What happened? Wait, I lost track. Wait, I lost track. Wait a second. Okay, I got it. She remembered the rules. Don't look, don't respond, don't let it notice you. But it was actually too late. You know what happened? The mattress actually creaked. Like someone was sitting beside her. That she thought, okay, oh god, I'm dead today. Okay, so Alia froze, and then she couldn't, like, she could feel it, like someone is on the bed right now, someone is coming to her bed, something is right next to her, breathing breathing, and then she heard a whisper, right? That's why I told the thing said, whatever I did to Nadia, I will do to you. The same thing is happening right now. Whisper right in her ears, like, you were the closest. Like that. Oh god, shit. Okay. Alia's finger was actually shaking, like it was actually trembling, okay? Then again, you heard me first. That's why I told you. She heard first before Nadia heard. Again, she cried. And then again, another whisper. So, you'll stay with me longer. Yes, whoever hear first, they will stay longer with it. That's what it's meaning, okay? Then she closed her eyes very tightly and then she fall asleep. The next morning, Alia didn't tell anyone about the incident happened last night because she couldn't tell, okay? But then she felt something followed her. She can't see, but whenever she goes, it's always there. She is literally feeling that something is right there behind her. Something is following. I'm telling this at night. You know what's the time? 7:47, and I'm seriously scared right now. Like it's in a reflection, in dark corners, in silence. So that means it always be in reflections, it always be in dark corners, and it always be in silent places, okay? So then every night at 2:17, it got closer to Alia. So first the foot of her bed, like the down part of her bed, then beside her. You know, just now I told, right? The thing will actually come beside whenever you hear. Okay? Then this is the final night. The this one is going to finish, okay? That night, Alia tried to stay awake with the lights on because she can't sleep. In the dark also, if she's there, something will definitely come. Okay? So at 2:16, her phone screen flickered. At 2:17, everything cuts out again. Like just now only I told, why whatever happened to Nadia, that thing only will happen. That's why I told, 2:16 phone will flicker, like because she was scrolling her phone lah. 2:16 phone will flicker, fan will go slow, light also will flicker, and then 2:17 what happens? Everything is gone. So after the lights went off, Alia was like, no, 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 no. Like, when normally people get scared, they were like, no, 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 no. Like that only she had. And then now, suddenly, just now I told, like before I told, two breathings only, right? Like two breathings only she heard. But then now, multiple breathings is going on. Multiple breathings she's hearing. Okay, multiple breathings, like seriously. Okay, again I lost track where I left, sorry. Okay, so the multiple breathings is like seriously surrounding her, like one here, 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 behind, everywhere surrounding her. She can hear breathing. She looked. You Okay, again she heard the whisper, huh? She looked. You heard. Now you stay. After she heard that whisper, she screamed like hell. She screamed out of her lungs. But then, even though she screamed, no sound came out. Got it? When she screamed, right? I told her she screamed out of her lungs. But then, no sound. No sound at all. She only can hear herself screaming, but then other people cannot hear herself screaming because, like, Normally, when people scream, other people will wake up. But then, whenever she screamed, she saw no one waking up. That means no sound is coming out from her. Like she is screaming, but then no sound. Okay. The next morning, the two beds were empty. Whose bed? Nadia's bed and Alia's bed. There are no signs of struggle. Like there are no signs that they struggled. There are no windows open. Nothing. But then just one thing they found out. On the wall, there were something written. It said, "We don't like being ignored." We means there's so many ghosts in this hostel. Then why are they staying? They're still staying in the hostel. Like seriously, it said we don't like being ignored. Since then, the rule changed. Like there were so many rules. Right? No rule changed. It's not just about 217 anymore. Like anymore. It's not just about staying asleep, like you are just sleeping. It's not just about that. It's not just about the timing now, because now there is more than one. But before that, there was only one, just why it was about 217, just why it's about staying asleep, like that. But then now, since there is more than one, and sometimes they don't even wait for you to wake up. They really won't wait for you to wake up. They will just make you wake up. Make you. That's why Alia woke up, because she was seriously asleep, and they won't even wait for you to wake up. They will make you wake up. And then suddenly a whisper, "We are already here." Oh damn it, I'm seriously getting scared. So that's the end of the story. Okay, so seriously, in this story, there are many spirits in one hostel. Seriously, getting it right? So, if you want more stories like this, please like, subscribe, and comment. Okay, bye bye.